How to view notification history on iPhone. If you want to see your recent notifications on your iPhone, follow these simple steps. Open the Settings app. Tap Notifications. Under Display As, select List. This changes your notification style so notifications appear in a chronological list, making them easier to review. To view your recent notifications, swipe up from the middle of the lock screen or Notification Center. You'll see notifications that haven't been cleared. If you're not receiving notifications from a specific app, go back to Settings. Tap Notifications. Select the app you want to check. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. You can also customize how notifications appear by choosing where you want them to show, such as the lock screen, Notification Center, or banners. Keep in mind that iPhone does not have a dedicated notification history feature that stores every notification after it's been dismissed. Once a notification is cleared, it can't be viewed again unless the app provides its own notification history. That's it! You've successfully learned how to view recent notifications and manage notification settings on your iPhone. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.